legit. Anything you want.
October is the month for Bitcoin BTC. Happy new month to you and all our readers. The last 1 month has been a tumultuous one for any crypto enthusiast, trader or hodler of any digital asset. Most of the days were filled with declining values and panic due to the news. Bitcoin BTC being the king of crypto and being volatile during the last month, all altcoins also suffered due to its relative instability. A recap of September FUD and ETF anxieties first. There was the Goldman Sachs news of September the 5th that they were ditching plans to open a Bitcoin and crypto trading desk. The news went to state that the firm was focusing on custody services that will bring the much-needed funds to the industry. In a sense, the news had stated that Goldman Sachs would not pursue digital assets as forms of investments. However, this news turned out to be fake, but the damage had been done. Secondly, there was an air of anxiety for the SEC was scheduled to rule on the Bitcoin ETF application by CBOE, VanEck, and SolidX, by the 0th of September. However, the authority announced on the 20th of September, that it needed more time to make a decision. They also requested for the input of the public with regards to the rule change in the ETF. This, in turn, pushed the SEC decision of late December. Thirdly, there was a bunch of Bitcoin futures contracts by the CME expiring on the 28th of September. Therefore, due to the historical past performance of Bitcoin BTC when futures contracts are about to expire, many traders had held back making any major moves for there was uncertainty. Many of the savvy traders headed to AdMex to attempt to short Bitcoin BTC and other digital assets, but Bitcoin proved to have a good support level above $6,500. What October holds for Bitcoin BTC? The first good thing about October, other than it being the month of good sports around the world, is that there is no pending major decision from the SEC. A Bitcoin ETF will not hover over the minds of traders as they attempt to make gains in the markets for the next few weeks. Secondly, October comes before November and when the BAKKT firm is scheduled to launch. This then leaves the crypto space wide open for natural gains without fears of any bad news. BAKKT aims at bringing Bitcoin and crypto investing to the mainstream using existing regulation, rather than trying to change the rules like the pending Bitcoin ETF. The firm also plans on providing custody services for the institutional investors who want to buy in bulk. Therefore, the challenge of storing large volumes of cryptocurrencies is left to BAKKT, which is regulated and has all the necessary licenses. Given the fact that the U.S. stock market is worth an estimated $30 trillion, BAKKT will make it possible for cryptocurrencies to bite off a small chunk of this value as investors look for alternative, untapped sources of attaining considerable gains. BAK recently tweeted their first investment product as follows: "Our first contracts will be physically delivered Bitcoin futures contracts versus fiat currencies, including USD, GBP and EUR. For example, buying one USD BTC futures contract will result in daily delivery of 1 Bitcoin into the customer's account." In conclusion, and not hating on the month of September, October brings in a breath of fresh air in the crypto markets, for there is no reason to be nervous in the markets. But as is always suggested, it is good to set stop losses and keep up to date with news from Global Coin Report.